Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Binance account. What you need to do, just go to Binance and then just click on your profile icon and then go to security. After that, just scroll down and you will see here account activity, suspicious account activity, disable account. Just click here and then just you can read this information, and after that just click here disable this account or delete this account. Just click here. This is what you need to do if you want to delete Binance account. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.